First, click on your profile at the top. From the menu, click Agent. Now click New to add a new agent. Enter the agent's name, email, phone number, licensing number, and password. After entering all the details, click Save. If you have a picture of the agent, you can upload it here. Switch to the Company tab to input his company information. Next, enter the agent's company name, address, city, state, and zip code. You can also upload the company logo if available. Go back to the Personal tab and click Save again. Your new agent is now added to the agent list. Now click to the top menu. Click Marketing and click Market Now. Click here to add your referral agent. Open any flyer tab and select a flyer. You'll now see the agent you just added available in your flyer. That's it for adding an agent. You're all set.